Hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a journal onto Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is better yet known as Kindle Direct Publishing, is a platform that you'll be able to upload your journals or ebooks, and from there they'll be listed onto Amazon and persons can go onto it and make a purchase. Now, after you have created your journal, all you'll need to do is go onto kdp.amazon.com. From there, you'll be able to sign in using your Amazon account. So the same login that you'll use on amazon.com, it is the same login that you'll use on kdp.amazon.com. And keep in mind that if you don't know how to create a journal, you could do this quite quickly by going onto Canva. For example, sake, you could go onto Canva, then tap on the search bar right here, and you could type in journal. After doing that, you can see numerous journal templates that you can choose from. You could select one of these templates, and then from there, you could customize it to your liking, and then you'll be able to upload it onto Amazon KDP. So for example, once on Amazon KDP, you're going to tap on create right here. Then from here, you're going to tap on create ebook. After selecting create ebook, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you're now going to select the language that you would like to publish it in. So I'll stick with English. Then from there, you can type in the book title. So let's say, for example, we'll call this test journal. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can select whether it is a series or not. But since it is a journal, more than likely it won't be a series. You can leave this blank right here. Then you'll simply add in the author's name. So let me do that real quick. So let's say, for example, simple answers. What I've come to realize is most of the time when it comes on to author's name, persons tend not to use their real name. After doing that, you can scroll down and you can add a quick description about your journal. So let's say, for example, this is a journal for women. You can do that right there. Then you're going to scroll down and you can fill in, yes, I own the publishing right. And then from there, you can scroll down and you can continue filling in the information. Right here where you see primary marketplace, this is basically where you would like your journal to be listed. Amazon.com, which would be the main Amazon account, and Amazon US, you could select that option. If it is a case that you like your journal to be listed on amazon.co.uk, you could select that option, or you can select any one of the Amazon options right here. After doing this, you're going to tap on choose a category. So let's do that real quick. But first, we must select right up here if we have any adult content. So we're going to simply scroll back up and we're going to tap right where you see adult content. We're going to tap on no. Then from there, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on choose a category. After tapping on choose a category, you can select from any one of these categories, as you can see right here. There are numerous options that you can choose from. Or you can just tap on general and select a general category. Another thing that you can also do right where you see keywords, you can type in different keywords that you may think that your journal may be related to. So for example, you can do different form of research. There are numerous tutorials that you can go on to find out how to choose keywords that will help to assist you that your journal may be ranked higher on Amazon. Once you're finished, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, you'll be able to upload your journal content and you'll also be able to upload your journal cover. To upload your cover, you'll tap on upload a cover you have already created, and you can see that there are two formats that you can use, whether JPG or TIFF only. and you're going to tap on upload your cover. So let's say, for example, I were to select this cover right here, then tap on upload. You can see that the cover is being uploaded. Then after it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you will tap on upload manuscript, and the format that I'm using for this example is PDF. So let's say, for example, I were to select this one right here, and you can see it right there. Then you'll tap on upload. After tapping on upload, you can see most PDF do not produce great results in automated conversion. If you would like to upload a different format, you can do that, but I'll be continuing with PDF. So you can tap on continue with PDF. After tapping on continue with PDF, you can see that it is being uploaded right there. Once it has been uploaded, there will be some other information that they'll ask you about, and you can quickly fill in those information. So you can see that it has been uploaded successfully. You can tap right here. Since this is a journal, more than likely it won't have been created by AI, so you'll tap on no. After doing that, you can scroll down and you will tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on save and continue, you'll be redirected to the pricing page. On the pricing page, you'll be able to set the prices that you would like to sell your journal for. So you'll be able to set the amount of royalty that you'd like to receive, and you'll also be able to set the prices for the different marketplaces. So just give it a few seconds while it is being converted. Pricing page. So all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can select the territories which hold the rights, distribution rights. So we're going to tap on all territories right there. Then again, you can scroll down and you can select the primary marketplace. You can see that it is set at Amazon.com. And from here, you can also select the royalty plan that you want. So you can see select a royalty plan and set your Kindle ebook list pricing below. So for example, would you like 70% royalty or 35%? After you have done that, you can set the price that you would like to sell it for. So you can see right here, if we were to select 35%, we can sell our ebook at a cheaper price from 99 cents up to $200. But if you were to select 70%, you'll be able to sell it at $2.99 starting price to up to $9.99, as you can see right there. So we like to sell it for $3, as you can see right there. After entering that price, you can see that it automatically fills in the price for the other Amazon accounts. So for example, Amazon India, Amazon.uk, you can see that it converts it to the respectful prices, as you can see right there. Then you'll simply scroll down and you can see it would take up to 72 hours to fill in, or better yet, to process it and list your ebook. After you're finished, all you need to do now is tap on publish your Kindle ebook and it will go live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.